Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Urdu and Punjabi. So let's start. So first of all, this is a common interrogation words like how, what, how much, what, when, why, where, which, and
Mm-hmm.
who. So don't worry about the
Okay.
about too much writing at the slide. So this is very simple. First of all, we will
Yeah.
learn the meaning of these words in
Mm-hmm.
Punjabi and the pronunciation. Then I'll teach you
Mm-hmm.
how we structure the sentence with these words, and then we will practice.
Okay.
So this only page takes a whole lesson sometimes. So today,
Mm-hmm.
so first of all, we first word is how or what kind. It means kive, kive.
Kiwi.
Again,
Kiwi. Kiwi.
yeah, kive.
Kiwi.
Hmm. And kive, kive.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Hmm. Yeah,
Kiwi.
yeah, good. The next is how much, how many. Kinna or kinne, kinna
Kinna.
or
Kinne.
kinne.
Kinna.
Hmm.
Kinna. Kinne.
Hmm. Yeah, good. The next what means key, key.
Ki.
Yeah.
Ki.
Yeah. And when means kado, kado.
Kado. Kado.
Hmm.
Kado. I thought what is Jaddo? Like Jaddo.
Hmm. Yeah, I
My
thought.
bad. My dad says Jaddo.
Hmm. It is. It's similar like when. ਜਦੋਂ ਜਦੋਂ
Mm-hmm.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ when you will say.
Yeah, my dad says Jad. Sorry, what?
Hmm. Like we use the word ਜਦੋਂ with the same sense like
Mm-hmm.
when. So for instance, the sentence is when you will say. ਜਦੋਂ
Mm-hmm.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ. So
Jaddo tusi kahunge. Mm-hmm.
so it is the same sense. And kado and jado
Mm-hmm.
also used for the time. Asking about the time, the date, the day, year, or something like
Uh-huh.
kado or
Yeah.
jado. So the
Mm-hmm.
next one is
Kado.
yeah, where. Where means
Kitte.
kithe. Hmm.
Kitte.
No,
Kitte.
no, kithe, kithe.
Kitte.
Hmm.
Kitte.
Yes,
Kitte.
good. And the next one is who. Who means kaun, kaun.
Kaun. Kaun.
Hmm. One more time.
Kaun.
Hmm.
Kaun.
Yeah. Kaun. Okay. And why? क्यों? Why means क्यों?
Kyun.
Hmm.
Kyun.
Hmm. And which means केड़ा, केड़ा.
Kera.
Yeah. केड़ा.
Kera. Kera.
Hmm. केड़ा. Okay. Do you have the notebook right now?
Yes.
Please write it down. These are very important. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
when you write the Just read aloud while writing. I wanna listen the pronunciation.
Mm-hmm. Oh, ke- keva. Um,
No, kiwe.
kiwe.
Yeah,
Kiwe.
yeah,
Kiwe.
yeah.
Um, kenna.
Hmm.
Kenne.
Hmm.
Ki. Ki. Um, one is kado. Jado. Kado.
Hmm.
Um, where is kete? Kete. Who is kaun? Kaun. Why is a kya? What is it?
क्यों? What means क्यों?
Kyun? Why is kyun?
Hmm.
Kyun? Which is kehra?
Hmm.
Kehra?
केड़ा.
Kehra?
केड़ा.
Kehra?
Hmm.
Kehra?
Hmm.
Kehra? Kehra?
Hmm. Okay, have you finished?
Yeah, I finished.
Okay, so just remember these words and meaning as well. Then I'll at least take your test for these words.
Mhm. Okay. Oh, do you want me to say something?
I said just remember this one, these words, and then I'll listen them. Like I'll take
Okay.
your test for these words.
Go on. Okay, I think I remember.
Perfect. Well done. Okay, can you see the meanings?
Yes.
Really? Can you see the
Yeah.
meaning of how?
Oh, the meanings? Oh, no, no. I can only see the English meanings.
Okay. Okay, so what does mean by when?
Um, pen?
When?
Oh, the first one? When? Kado?
Hmm. Another word for when?
Jado?
Hmm.
Jado?
Jado.
Kado?
And what is how much?
Kenne? Kenna?
Hmm. And what?
Key.
Hmm. Where?
Kithe.
Hmm.
Kithe.
Yes. And how?
Kiwe. Kiwe.
Hmm. Of what kind?
Uh, ke, kehra.
No, no, no.
Kehra.
Of what kind?
Oh. Kiwe. Kiwe.
Hmm. Kime. Oh, perfect. And why?
Kiwe. Uh, kyo. Kyo.
Hmm. And
Kyo.
who?
Kaun.
Hmm. Corn. And which?
Kaun. Kehra. Kehra.
Hmm. Okay, good. Kira. Perfect. You all the word was perfect. Hmm. Okay. So let's choose some vocabulary. We have just 8 minutes. Punjabi vocabulary.